Good. Can you step up for me? Step up. Come on. There's an apple for you. You need the apple? Come on. Come on. No, you gotta step up. No. Come on, Mama. Come on. Come on. Oh, he's not going, guys. But I need him to step up. I'm pretty sure he's 130. But Coco will step up. With Coco, it's easy. He was 73. I just caught it very quickly. Coco, come back here. Coco, come. 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 Step up. Step up. Step up. Step up. Milo, you just have to step up. There we go. 135 grams. Yay! Treats for you. Coco, come. All right, now you can get out. This is how I get them to step up, guys. You gotta entice them with treats to get on the scale. Okay, Coco's coming. Come on, you come. Come on. Okay, come. Come, then sit up there. Coco, come. Coco, let's get you on the scale, Baba. Come on. Come on. Coco's a little bit easier because I can just grab him. Wait, wait. No, come here. I think he was 76.